Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a dough ball making machine by Pasen Machine. Has two variable speed controllers, and I'll show you quickly how it operates. We have some of the guards removed, and this is actually the discharge size, and you see the grooved rollers there with the scraper at the bottom of them. Those tracks are 3/8 wide, so it's making a 3/8 diameter dough ball. And as you see, it starts up here in the hopper, and you'll see these are the feed rollers. They are textured and will feed the dough in, and as it comes through in between the two rollers, moves into here where you see a rotating knife, and that cuts off a strip of the sheeted dough. Then it falls down into the rollers you see here. Now that feed roller to bring is what you see on the top there, actually has a scraper, and it's moved away so it doesn't damage anything. So if anything does stick onto it, it gets cut off. The unit is operating on 223 phase voltage. All the controls are working. That's the control for the knife. We just slowed down. And these are for the rest of the functions, the feed and the balling roller. We have lots of equipment in our stock for process and packaging, and we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.